Let's design a laundry flyer. Go to element, click on shape, click on square, bring it down here, expand it a little bit, reduce it a little, duplicate, rotate it to 90 degrees, make it down here. Go to color, change the color, come here, change the color, go back to elements again and go back to shapes. We'll select parallelogram left, go to color, change the color to this, bring it somewhere here, drag it down a little bit, rotate it small, bring it down, aside, bring it down a little. Send it backward. Go to upload. In our logo, remove background, resize it, bring it down here. So go to upload, bring in our image, remove background. Go to adjust, auto adjust. Go to upscale image. The image I've upscaled. We'll expand it a little bit, push it to this place. And it's need to reduce this by the size. Okay, drag it down a little. Drag it down a little bit. Bring it down a little bit. Bring it here. Bring it to front. Already in the front, so we just need to reduce the size a little bit. Bring it down here. We click on text. Type. Click clean. You shine. Change the font size to 48. Change the font to Rose Montserrat to black. Make it here. Change the color to dark blue. We'll go to advanced settings. Reduce the line spacing to 1.4. Still much big. We'll reduce it again. Close it. Let's make this to be around 50. Okay. Position it here. We'll have our tagline or the dot line, just need to paste it. Paste it here. Reduce it to 12. Reduce it to 11. Paste it here. And also have my body text. I'll paste the body text here. Turn it up a little bit. The body text is 16 by font size. Then the font we're using is Lato. You click on font, go to search and search Lato. Then we'll now go to element. We'll click on a rounded square. We'll reduce it a little bit. Bring it here. We'll reduce it a little bit again. Bring it here. Go to change the color to yellow. Go to press T for text. Type our services. We'll change the font size to 28. Let's see. Caps lock. Make it bold. We'll change the font to Poppins. Now align it to the center. Put position. Click on center. This align. Now I've already also typed my list of services. I'll just copy. I'll just paste it here. I'll paste it here. This my services link. The font is Montserrat. Montserrat medium, and the size is 16. I will duplicate. I will highlight and duplicate. I'll bring this down here. I'll now change the services to call now, to an action button, which is call now. I'll now press T again. Sorry. I'll go to elements. I'll type location icon. I'll search. Go to this place. I'll search location icon I'm looking for. I'll change this to this color. Change this to white. I change the white to blue. I'll reduce it to 50 position, reduce it to 50. I'll bring it down here. I'll go to element again. I'll type for call icon. I'll choose this one, change the black to white, change the white to blue. Go to position, change the width to 50, and height automatically come to 50. I'll place it here. I'll go to text. I'll type in address I want. I'll type number 10, looking way, Abuja. I'll change the font to Hawkins. I'll make it medium. Change the font size to 16. Change the color to white. I'll bring it down here. Align it to the left. I'll duplicate this. Bring it to this place. But first of all, I'll select this and this. Then bring it inside a little bit. So it doesn't go out of alignment. Push it in a little bit. I'll type plus 234 801 234 8. That's our contact. I'll move this a little bit again. So don't go out of alignment with what we're doing. With the job proper. I'll shift it a little bit. Here, click here. I'll group it. Here, I'll go to position, align it, right? I'll bring this down also. With this also align. So now let's set margins. I'll bring in my logo here. So everything stays in a separate line. I'll remove it. And that's our final design.